Hi SimTechs and Simulationers, I'm Paul from Tech TV. Today we've got iSimulate's ALSi, which we're going to be unboxing. Let's get to the video. Tablet on the front. Magnetized top, iPad Pro front. Needs unplugging to get it out. Quite a stiff fit. All comes powered up and charged up. There are options to have that without the tablet. So if you've already got them. All ready to go. Inside you also get a amplifier, all powered up, all charged and off the extension cord in here. Secondary tablets run. Nice strap to be able to hold it in the back of your hand. So we've got side button 1 with NIDP and NTO2. On the side we've got ECG, SPO2, and in the back we've got carry handle. Power cable to plug the entire thing in. DP pads. And the lead to plug it into the machine. Start it up. Runs off local Wi-Fi, so that will need to be turned on and connected to it. That's now powered up. Yeah. There we go. That's red connected, and on the separate device, they're talking to each other. There's the app. Monitor mode. Okay. There you go, which you can then alter the heart rate. So going to enable, and it will change. DP on, change it back down to the alarm. SPO2, ECO2. So that's the ALSi from iSimulate. We'll give a full review on it once we've had a chance to play with it properly. If you like this video, please like and subscribe underneath. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one.